Michel Pereira is set to go down against Sharabot Magomedov. Michel Pereira defeated Zach Reis, but lost to Kaldakos, Abus Magomedov, Anthony Hernandez. He used to be very dominant against Petrovsky, Alexichuk, Potieria, but it seems the fella is slowing down. He's 32 right now, and Shara Magomedov having a record 16-1-0, 6'2", 73 inches of reach. A middleweight fighter, born in Dagestan but fighting out in Moscow, Russia. Well, gotta say that this guy defeated Mark-Andrei Beriev, Armen Petrosian, lost to Michael Page, defeated Alexei Chuk, Rokolia. He is a knockout artist, but it's gonna be pretty difficult to knock out Michel Pereira. I've seen him fighting like Arman Tsarukyan and Edson Barboza in modified rules, grappling, and it seems he's not that bad in grappling. He's predominantly a striker, but it seems he knows to grapple as much as it's required. I'm gonna say fight starts round 3. If I must pick a side, going with Shara Bullet.